In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with 5 tips for using LinkedIn for marketing your business. Whether your goal is to build brand awareness, generate more leads, or establish strategic partnerships, LinkedIn is a powerful business tool that can connect your brand with more than 450 million professionals around the world. Here are 5 tips that can help you better engage your audiences and grow your business. Start with your personal LinkedIn profile. Ultimately, people want to do business with other people, which is why it is essential that you start by optimizing your personal LinkedIn profile. Your personal profile and those of your employees are the peaks that come together to create your brand. When someone searches your name, you want them to find something that makes you stick out from the crowd. Your profile is where your prospects' first impressions are formed and where they decide if they can see themselves working with you. Create an effective LinkedIn company page. It is good to think of your company's LinkedIn page as your business's LinkedIn profile. You need to create a company page that provides ample opportunities for prospects to learn more about your company, your employees, and to engage with relevant content. Define your audience and goals. As with marketing initiatives, you need to start by defining your goals. Once you understand what it is that you want to accomplish, it will be easier for you to identify your audience. If your company sells a productivity tool for social media specialists, for example, you want to get social media pros to test it, because you know that if they like it and use it, they are more likely to recommend it to their bosses. Optimize your page for search. Just like you would for company website, you want to optimize your LinkedIn company page for search. A well-optimized page can help you gain more visibility when people are searching for what your company offers. Make sure that your page is designed to be SEO friendly by including relevant keywords, linking your company website, and sharing relevant content with your audience. Add company page followers. When you can get people to follow your company page, any updates you share will appear directly on their LinkedIn page feed. The more followers you can get, the higher the reach potential for each update that you publish. Start by having your employees follow the page, then promote your company page outside the company. Finally, you can add a follow button on your website to make it easy for people to follow your LinkedIn company page. By putting these 5 steps into practice, you can accomplish big things with the help of LinkedIn. As you continue to grow and add more followers, you'll start to get even better results than you ever thought possible.